Father, I crave cheddar. More! Father, I crave more! Three, two, one, go!
Alright, let's get this over with. In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? Gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering shall be no friend.
Is that?
Humans, specifically Lucas, are raised far below humanity. Their only motivation that keeps them alive and still existing in this reality is to be at best one of the worst existing class of modern society.
Yo, Leaker, that's why you straight built like a art class nice guys looking. Oh, my waifu is gonna love me even though she looks like a fucking 10-year-old, but it's okay because she's like 500 years old. Please, just send them away from us. Murder them. Fucking anything. Why am I ranting? I don't know. I should have ended this a long time ago. Fuck that rhyme.
Fuck! I missed again!
Father, I crave cheddar. Father, I crave cheddar. Father, I crave cheddar. More. Father, I crave more. 3, 2, 1, go! 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 3, 2, 1, go!
Well... Damn it, I locked myself out of my phone again! Oh wait, there we go, just gotta stop recording. Alright, let's get this over with. Wait. Yeah, there we go, there's Oswald. Fuck. Ow. I'm not that old! Owie. This should probably work. If not, well, I mean, I'm not going full screamer mode, so I could probably re-record afterwards. Anyway, thank you. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Mickey. In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering shall be known, friend. In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering will be known. Fuck! In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering shall be known, friend. In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering shall be will be known, friend. Yeah, no. In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering will be known, friend. Wait, no. In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering shall be known, friend. Yeah. In the end, we all die. Why should I even try? With gun in hand, my life shall end. My suffering will be known, friend. Yeah, that's good enough. Time to record Oswald screaming. God, I'm gonna fucking kill my throat. Alright, it's Oswald time. Fuck! I missed again! Oh, that was easy. Second take, just in case. Fuck! I missed again! Done.
Alright, time to do the thing. I'm eating a big old banana. Oh. Damn, this is a really good banana. Mickey Mouse ASMR. Okay, here we go. Wait, fuck! No, wait, yeah. Wait, no, I already recorded this. What the fuck? Oh, wait, here it is, yeah. Ew! What are those things? Ew! What kind of things are those? Ew! What kind of things are those? Okay, that's enough Mickey Mouse. Back to my ASMR banana eating. Huh? Hot dog.
Kill me.
Alright. Let's do leaker shit. What is that? What is that? What is that? Are those things human? Are those things even human? Are those things even human? Are those things humans? Yo, leakers, that's why you straight built like a r/nice guys looking. My waifu is gonna love me even though she looks like a fucking 10-year-old, but it's okay because she's like 500 years old and is actually a magical dragon. And oh god, fucking kill me now. Please, God, I know Satan is my boyfriend and he's basically your rejected son, but please just kill us. Or kill them, preferably then. Please, just send them away from us. Murder them. Fucking anything. Why am I ranting? I don't know. I should have ended this a long time ago. Fuck that rhyme.